What are you? Right now, you perceive yourself as a conscious being, a collection of thoughts, memories, and experiences housed in a physical body. You remember waking up this morning. You remember your childhood. You see the screen in front of you. You feel the chair beneath you. All of this is built from atoms, arranged into complex neural networks firing with intricate electrical pulses. It feels real, solid, the result of a 13.8 billion year cosmic journey leading to this very moment. But what if it's not? What if everything you are, every cherished memory, every law of physics you hold to be true, is nothing more than a random, spontaneous accident, a glitch in the cosmic code? This isn't a philosophical riddle. It's a terrifying possibility that emerges from our deepest understanding of the universe. It's a paradox so profound it suggests that you, and everything you know, might be the universe's most horrifying error. To understand this cosmic nightmare, we first have to talk about mess. The universe loves mess. Physicists call it entropy. The second law of thermodynamics, one of the most fundamental rules of reality, states that the total entropy or disorder of an isolated system can only increase over time. Think of a sandcastle. It's an ordered, low-entropy structure. Over time, wind and waves will inevitably break it down into a disordered, high-entropy pile of sand. The universe works the same way. It began in the Big Bang, an incredibly ordered, low-entropy state, and has been getting messier and more disordered ever since. Stars burn out, galaxies drift apart, and matter decays. The ultimate fate of our universe, according to our best models, is a state of maximum entropy known as heat death. An unimaginably vast, cold, dark void filled with a thin soup of random, aimless particles. A silent, featureless eternity of pure chaos. This is where things get strange. In the infinite expanse of time during this heat death, things don't just stop. On the quantum level, there are always random fluctuations. Particles will randomly bump into each other, momentarily forming new configurations before dissolving back into the void. Given an infinite amount of time, literally anything that is not physically impossible will eventually happen through random chance. Think of the infinite monkey theorem. Give a monkey a typewriter and an infinite amount of time, and it will eventually type the complete works of Shakespeare. In the endless wasteland of heat death, the universe is the monkey, and the particles are the typewriter keys. And it won't just type Shakespeare, it will assemble things. It might assemble a rock, it might assemble a spaceship, and terrifyingly, it might assemble a brain. Now comes the question that unravels everything. Which is more likely? Option A. A low-entropy Big Bang occurs, leading to 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution, the formation of the Milky Way, the birth of our sun, the cooling of the Earth, the rise of life, and the slow, deliberate process of natural selection that results in the intricate, complex structure of your specific brain, complete with all its specific memories and thoughts. This is a monumentally complex process requiring an immense, sustained state of order across an entire universe. Or, option B, in the trillions upon trillions of years of the high-entropy, chaotic future, a random quantum fluctuation momentarily assembles a single, functioning human brain, complete with a full set of false memories of a life that was never lived, a planet that never existed, and a universe that is just a phantom of its implanted consciousness. Just for a fleeting moment, this brain would spark into existence, experience a lifetime of illusory memories, and then dissolve back into the chaos. Here is the horrifying conclusion of the paradox, first pondered by physicist Ludwig Boltzmann. Statistically speaking, option B is overwhelmingly more likely. The spontaneous formation of a single, tiny, ordered object, a conscious brain, is a far smaller statistical miracle, a far smaller dip in entropy, than the formation of an entire ordered universe required to produce that same brain through evolution. If our current understanding of cosmology and thermodynamics is correct, then the vast majority of conscious observers in the universe should not be like us. They should be these lone, disembodied minds, flickering into existence in the dark void, experiencing a fabricated reality. They are called Boltzmann brains. This is the terrifying error. Our own scientific theories predict that we shouldn't exist. They predict that observers like us, who can look out at a consistent, ancient universe and derive the very laws that lead to this paradox, are a statistical impossibility compared to the legions of deluded, solitary brains. If the theory is true, then you are almost certainly a Boltzmann brain. But if you are a Boltzmann brain, then you can't trust any of your memories or senses. The scientific evidence you used to formulate the theory is itself a fabrication implanted in your fleeting mind. The theory, therefore, eats itself, creating a vortex of cosmic doubt from which there is no escape. It implies that our rational minds have led us to a conclusion where rationality itself is an illusion. And so we are left with the ultimate, terrifying question. Is the universe you see real, or is it just the last dream of a mind that never was?